Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all a vlog kind of thing. I'm going to make like 2 recipes today. It's YouTube inspired and I will leave the links in the description box. It's a very nice recipes which I'm going to try. So I'm going to vlog my experience of how I made it and all. So I hope you really enjoy this video and I'm going to tell the reason why I'm doing this also in between the videos. So stay tuned till that. And yes, if you're new around here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to try making kulfi at home. This is my first ever time I'm going to try kulfi, that I'm making it at home. So I'm very excited for it. I hope you all also very excited. So I thought why not to share it with you all also. So today is 25th July and you can see the time is 6:25. Now let's start making kulfi. And one more thing is that it's a YouTube inspired kulfi, so I will definitely link the video in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. So first I start in by pouring milk. So here I'm using 1 liter of milk to make it. Just I'm trying, so I'm making only with 1 liter. So guys, if you can see the milk is boiling, you can see the vapors coming off. So now you can see I'm still mixing it, and yes, it will take time because it should reduce to half and become a nice thick one. So you have to keep mixing it. I thought of like showing only the recipe kind of thing, but then it would be boring and there's no interaction. So I thought let's showing this angle so that you can see this as well as me. Guys, it's reduced so very much now and it's changed color also. It's become quite thick and releasing a lot of malai, which is very good. So you can see the milk is boiling here and gradually it will reduce in quantity. See, it's reduced so much, and the sides also to keep scraping. So keep scraping that and keep mixing it. You can see how much it's reduced. So I do not have any molds, kulfi molds or anything like that. So for that we are going to be using this paper cups here. This is very small, so there is less quantity actually. So I'm using these small cups, and we are going to fill this using a spoon and fill it how much ever you want. Make sure to do this only once it's cooled now. So because mine is cooled, I am doing this. So we're gonna fill in this. So guys, you can see I filled the molds, like it's not even full. I think the quantity is too less, but it's okay because we're trying for the first time. This much is okay, and it's very small. If you can see, the cups are actually small, and them in that also it's not only full, it's only so much. So if you can hear any disturbance, please ignore it. It's raining outside. So now what you have to do is use the foil paper here, the aluminium foil paper, and cut small things to cover the cup. So I'm going to cut them. So now what I'm going to do is take a scissor and just prick it. It's small. Catch the sides and you can just do a small slit here. You can see it's a mini stick which I put. That is, I just took like this one stick and cut it into half. That's it. So same way I will do for the other bowls also. So you can see our kulfi is done. So I've put it in the bowl like this and covered it with silver foil and inserted a stick. And now we are going to place it in the fridge and leave it overnight. So guys, you can see it's set and it's come out very well. To remove it, it's quite small, but yeah, it is very nice and it's set also very well. So let's taste it now. It's very nice, very sweet and delicious. So you can definitely try this recipe out. I will leave the link in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. Hello everyone. So it is the next day, that is 26th July, and the time is 4 p.m. as you can see. So what I thought of doing is cake. I told you all in the previous thing also that I'm going to make a cake today. It's not going to be like a very grand kind of cake, but a small and simple cake. I love baking cakes and I want to do it, so that is why. And I also mentioned that I will tell you the reason why I'm doing this. The first main reason is because it's my mom's birthday. That is 26th July. Today is her birthday, so that is why. And there's a sub reason, a very small reason also, that I finished 100 video uploads on my channel. I know for y'all it may not sound great because I'm just in the beginning stages where I do not have much of subscribers, but definitely for me it's a great achievement that I have uploaded 100 videos by now. I cannot believe myself that I have done my 100 uploads, and I'm really happy for that. So this is my 101st video and I'm very happy for that. So let's keep this cake for that also. Taken my utensil here, you can see, I guess this is the utensil. To this first I'm going to add sugar. the exact measurement, as I mentioned, you can check it in that channel. And now I'm going to add curd. I really love baking cakes. Do comment down below who and all loves baking cakes. I really love baking them. I'm going to be using my whisk here and whisking this all really well. So guys, I've let it set now, and next we'll start. Now I've added oil and vanilla essence, and I'm going to whisk this really well. One tip from my side would be to use some non-flavored oil, otherwise the cake would be a disaster, because once I tried making with some weird flavored oil and the cake was like bleh. So please do not try, use non-flavored oil. So once you're done mixing everything, it looks very creamy and nice. So now I'm going to add the dough here, that is the flour. One thing that I would tell you all is, you'll ask me whether I should bake, is it good, will it turn out? So I have tried baking so many times, and every time it does not come perfectly, because every time like some 2-3 times my cake came out like black in color. Literally, it was not even like, I can't even put it in my mouth, that's how bad it came. So don't worry if you're feeling that your cake won't turn out. So don't worry, just keep trying and definitely you'll get it. It's not going to go anywhere. So I have done so many mistakes, and yet I'm trying because I love baking. So you all too do the same if you all love baking. Using a spatula here and not the whisk, because now you have to be very gentle and not over mix the cake dough. So you have to do it very gently with the cut and fold method. So now you can see I've transferred my cake batter into a pan and greased that pan really well and put a butter paper. And here is, once it's baked, the toothpick has come out clean and it's very
good.
I've done baking my cake now. I've let it to cool down so that it really cools down and we can do our frosting. So till then I'm going to prepare a frosting here. So I've taken a utensil here and I've kept below another utensil with cold water, because it should always remain cold so that the cream doesn't get heated up. And I do not have whipping cream at all. I'm using the Amul's fresh cream here, if you can see of it. So you have to whisk this really well. If you want, you can use this motion also. See, it looks like a single layered cake, but we'll still chop it into 2 layers. It's very thin. So guys, I'm done with the cream now. I've kept it in the refrigerator. So I do not have any electric beater or anything, so I use a normal whisk and I whisked it really well. You can see that whisk. I just whisked it really well. It was really hard. My hands turned like quite red, and I don't know whether it's visible, but it's quite red now. But I tried my level best to whisk it. You can see the time is already 6:50. It's really late because of the cream. It didn't happen really soon. So I guess you can see my cake layer more appropriate now. I'm going to wet the cake with cream. I know it's not the best whipped cream, but yes, I could manage doing it. So first I add in a little and then I'm spreading using a flat knife like this. It's okay if it's not even whipped properly, I think, because we'll again freeze it. We'll keep it in the refrigerator.
And yeah, I'm sorry guys, I couldn't take the full picture of the cake because it was already too late and I had to just finish it off. So this is my mom, and yes, she's cutting the cake and she really liked it. It turned out very well. The taste was just amazing. So the look may not be that great, but definitely it tastes amazing. So do check the recipe out.
So guys, I actually forgot to film the outro of the video, so here I am. That's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I had really so much fun making my kulfi and my cake, and I enjoyed so very much. I'm sorry I couldn't post more pictures of the cake because we ate it fast. I really forgot to click pictures. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, so sorry for that. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on the notification bell. Thank you so much. And if you want to see more such videos, stay tuned with me. I planned this month completely and will be bringing amazing content for you all, so stay tuned. Thank you so much, and let's see you in my next video. Bye.